Welcome to Speak Easy English. In today's video, we'll go through another simple yet essential daily conversations to help you improve your English. From greetings to everyday questions, these short dialogues will boost your confidence and fluency. Let's get started.
What's your full name?
I'm Daniel Carter.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you like to eat?
I love sushi.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Are you a student or worker?
I'm a student.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What music do you listen to?
I like pop and rock music.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym every morning.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually relax and watch movies.
What's your favorite sport?
I love playing basketball.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy mystery novels.
Where do you usually go on vacation?
I love traveling to the beach.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a travel blogger.
What do you do in the morning?
I drink coffee and check my emails.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I love summer.
How do you spend your evenings?
I watch TV or read a book.
What's your favorite drink?
I love iced coffee.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, especially for clothes.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm an introvert.
Do you watch the news?
Yes, I watch the news every morning.
How do you relax?
I listen to music or take a walk.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I love dogs.
What's your biggest hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Japan.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really. I prefer mild food.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mangoes are my favorite.
How often do you use social media?
Every day.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I love action games.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy action and thriller movies.
Do you like going to parties?
Not really, I prefer small gatherings.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I like working in a team.
That's it for today. Practice these conversations daily, and soon, speaking English will feel natural and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Easy English for more helpful lessons. See you in the next video.